A day in the life of Michael. Michael is a young man who lives in a big city. His day starts early because he has a lot of things to do. Michael wakes up at 6 a.m. The first thing he does is stretch and yawn. He feels refreshed after a good night's sleep. He gets out of bed and goes to the bathroom to brush his teeth and wash his face. The cold water helps him wake up fully. After his morning routine, Michael goes to the kitchen to prepare breakfast. He likes to eat a healthy meal to start his day. He makes scrambled eggs, toast with butter, and a bowl of fresh fruit. He also drinks a glass of orange juice. While he eats, Michael listens to the news on the radio. He likes to know what is happening in the world. By 7 a.m., Michael is ready to leave for work. He works as a graphic designer at a small company. He enjoys his job because he loves being creative. Michael takes the subway to get to work. The subway station is only a 5-minute walk from his apartment. The ride to his office takes about 30 minutes. During the ride, Michael usually listens to music or reads a book. Michael arrives at the office at 7:45 a.m. He greets his coworkers with a friendly good morning and sits at his desk. His first task of the day is to check his emails. He replies to important messages and organizes his tasks for the day. Michael's job involves creating designs for websites, logos, and advertisements. He enjoys working on different projects and coming up with new ideas. At 10 a.m., Michael takes a short break. He goes to the office kitchen to get a cup of coffee. He chats with his colleagues about their plans for the weekend. They laugh and share stories, which makes the workplace feel friendly and relaxed. After his coffee break, Michael returns to his desk and continues working. Lunchtime is at 12 p.m. Michael brings his lunch from home. Today, he has a chicken salad, a yogurt, and an apple. He likes to eat healthy food to keep his energy levels up. Sometimes Michael and his coworkers go out for lunch at a nearby cafe, but today he decides to stay in the office. After eating, Michael takes a short walk outside to get some fresh air. The walk helps him clear his mind and feel refreshed for the afternoon. At 1 p.m., Michael is back at his desk. He has a meeting with his boss to discuss a new project. They talk about the client's needs and brainstorm ideas for the design. Michael takes notes and sketches some initial concepts. He feels excited about the new project and is eager to start working on it. The afternoon passes quickly as Michael works on his designs. He enjoys the creative process and loses track of time. At 3 p.m., he takes another short break to stretch his legs and get a snack. He eats a granola bar and drinks a bottle of water. Staying hydrated is important for keeping his mind sharp. By 5 p.m., it's time to leave the office. Michael packs his things and says goodbye to his coworkers. He takes the subway back home. On the way, he stops at a grocery store to buy some ingredients for dinner. He buys vegetables, chicken, and rice. Michael likes to cook his meals because he finds it relaxing and fun. When Michael gets home, he changes into comfortable clothes and starts preparing dinner. He chops the vegetables and cooks the chicken. Tonight he makes a stir-fry with chicken broccoli, carrots, and bell peppers. He serves it with rice. The meal is delicious and healthy. After dinner, Michael washes the dishes and cleans the kitchen. He likes to keep his home tidy. Once everything is clean, Michael relaxes in the living room. He watches a documentary on TV about space exploration. Michael is fascinated by science and enjoys learning new things. At 9 p.m., Michael decides to go for a run. He puts on his running shoes and heads to the park nearby. Running helps him stay fit and clear his mind. He runs for about 30 minutes, enjoying the cool evening air and the peacefulness of the park. When Michael gets back home, he takes a shower and gets ready for bed. He feels relaxed and happy after his run. Before going to sleep, Michael likes to read. He is currently reading a mystery novel. He reads a few chapters before his eyes start to feel heavy. At 10:30 p.m., Michael turns off the light and goes to sleep. He thinks about his day and feels grateful for everything he has. He is excited for tomorrow and all the possibilities it brings. Michael falls asleep quickly, ready to wake up and start a new day.